So today we're making some good in stew Haitian way. So we put the salt, vinegar, lemon, and we clean it. This is hot water with lemon and vinegar, salt, and the lemon skin. You pull the hot water on the meat, and now I have my famous épice. We have this is a Jamaican jack spicy. I bought from Jamaica. I got ginger powder. I got my olive oil mayonnaise. I also have my complete season. I have the turmeric powder. I have the ginger powder. I have the I put some Himalayan salt. I put the lemon juice with some water, and I mix it. Now we're going to put the meat and marinate everything together. Make it looks good and tasty. This is coconut oil, better for you, or use olive oil or avocado oil. So we're gonna put it in the pot. Once it's hot, we're putting the meat, and now we cover it for a little bit, and boom, there you go. I put some green pepper, hot pepper, and you're gonna see the result. This is the result. I put some sauce to make my stew, and you can see I'm gonna put it. Yeah, it's ready, and I'm putting my meat so you can get the color and the taste. Right? I love cooking. Cooking is an art, and it's healthy and cheaper. And you feel proud when you make your own food. So there you go. I make it. We're gonna add some water. The juice of the juice that boiled the meat, I'm gonna use it to make the sauce thicker. I'm gonna add some more water to it. Voilà. Et je prends une photo parce que il faut être fier. Hein? Je mets un peu d'oignon. Excuse me, I put a little bit of red onion. Woo! And voila, le riz. That's the rice. And this is my decoration with parsley and red onion. And moi manger du riz collé à pois, sauce cabrite. It's rice and beans. Stew good. And let me tell you, it was good. I love it.